Hello and welcome to Unbox Addiction. This is my second video now, and today we'll be reviewing and unboxing the Rayban Clubmasters. First off, it comes in a very nice cardboard box to protect it. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, right out the bat, you get some books. Random books with all the, I guess, glasses in them. And you get the glasses case itself, which actually has the glasses inside it. We'll get back to that later. That's about it. And this, which I believe is the cleaner. No, it's actually a book, my bad. Another boring book. Let's put this back. I'll do that later. Push these off to the side, and this is the stickers for the glasses. Very nice hard case. Says Rayban on the top. Has a nice feel to it. Very secure clasp. Won't open quick. And here are the glasses. The bells inside, and comes here inside is a cleaner, special Rayban cleaner. Very nice soft material. Good to clean the glasses with. Make them a little better right before I show you. And these are the Rayban Clubmasters. Very nice. Has a turquoise on the side. Little gold. Has a gold under rim. Rayban logo on the top left. Here inside you can see the numbers. Try to get that focused a little. The inside, and it has some more serial numbers right there, and Rayban on the side, and also hold on just a second. I'm trying to find it. It says Rayban also somewhere else, very small, in the small font. Can't seem to find it right now. Oh well, but these are the glasses. Very nice. I can show you them on if you'd like. These are actually the Ray-Bans I'm wearing right now, but I'll put these on and show you how they look. Very nice, classy look to them. These are actually the smaller version. There are two sizes, I believe. This is the 49. Oops, the camera almost fell. That's the 49, as it says it right there. Yep, that's it. Beautiful pair of glasses. It kind of, in the light, it actually shows a little bit of hint of green, as you can see. That nice turquoise, the gold under brim. There you go, you can see it way better in the sunlight. I mean in the light. And that's about it. Thanks. Like, subscribe, share, check out my other video. There will be more unboxings soon. Thanks.